Tirumala Brahmotsavam is synonymous with multitudes of pilgrims, glittering Vahana Sevas, colorful cultural and devotional events like bhajans and chantings, rever-breathing in the holy hills. But it will be different this time due to COVID effect. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam is going to conduct the 9 days long religious celebrations in Ekantam from Saturday, September 19. In other words, the Utsavam is confined to the Serene limited to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam authorities and staff, priests and GRs concerned with the conduct of the annual fiti. There will be no procession of the deities atop decorated Vahanam in the open in Mada Street around the Serene, feasting the eyes of lakhs of devotees or cultural programs by best troops from across the country. Probably it may be the first time the Utsavam without devotees, disappointing everyone. The Utsavam went on even during natural calamities like heavy rains, floods, famines, pandemic and even invasion in the region, said Tirumala Temple former Chief Priest A.V. Ramana Dikshitulu, whose family is associated as hereditary priest with the Serene for 36 generations. The COVID restrictions affecting the important religious fiti also hit hard another sectors like shopkeepers, private transport operators, hotels and who could have made some money during Brahmotsavam, with heavy congregation of people gathering daily to witness the religious event. It also adversely impacted Muttas, Hindu charitable institutions based on the hill, hosting thousands of devotees from various states, facilitating them to participate in the fiti. A 80 years old Mutt manager said that he had not heard of the Utsavam being held with no participations of devotees whom the god loved most in the long Tirumala history. The deserted look of once crowded Muttas, shopping areas, taxi stands, cottages, pilgrim amenities, complexes, a tell picture of the grim situation due to COVID on the hilltop temple town. Temple sources said the daily Vahana Sevas will be held in Kalyana Mandapam located in Sampangi Prakaram in the Serene, while another rituals precedings and following the Vahana Sevas like decoration of idols, Salimpu, Satumora and Snapana Tirumanjan will be at Ranganayakula Mandapam in the temple. The Kalyana Mandapam will be readied daily with decoration in the morning and evening for the idols, which will be brought on flower decked Tiruchi to the accompaniment of traditional music to Kalyana Mandapam nearby, where the idols will be placed on the Vahanams. All the rituals like Divya Prabha Parayanam, Veda Parayanam, Harati, Naivedyam will be observed. GL Swamis will lead Satumora, after which Harati will be performed again before the idols take back to Ranganayakula Mandapam. The daily Vahana Sevas including rituals will be over in 45 to 60 minutes, while normally in Mada Street it takes 2 hours for completion. Even the last day of the event, Chakrasnana, marking the conclusion of 9 days Brahmotsavam, which usually held in the holy Pushkarani, holy temple tank, will be held this time in the temple itself, while another important fiti Mahotsavam wood chariot procession also stands cancelled. The popular Brahmotsavam, if the framed 2000 years old Venkateswara Swami temple, will be held this time without any fanfare and limited numbers of temple authorities, staff, archakas and GFs, with no devotees, with lovable ones of the god who become popular with the huge devotees following world over.